Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with the Huawei Band 7, and of course we are done with the checking of specs and features as well as its menus, and of course the installation of the support app. So this time, okay, we are going to check on the watch face section of the wearable. Okay, your Huawei Band smartwatch is already preloaded with different or several watch faces. Okay, so let me check. Okay, so long press and we have several watch faces here. Okay, so the last one you seen earlier is the last watch face that we have downloaded. I think we downloaded it yesterday. Okay, just tap on to select the watch face. Okay, so this is the default watch face for your Huawei Band 7. Okay, so this one, it has several colors for this one, different colors. Okay, just tap on it and it will change to other colors. Okay, so this one seems like it has an animation. I don't know, as you can see here, the color changes. Okay, so we have another one. Okay, just tap on it and it will change to other color theme. Okay, as you can see here, so we have, as you can see, a digital watch face here. I think we have an analog watch face preloaded. Okay, let me check. Okay, this one. So this is your preloaded analog watch face. Okay, let me check the other watch face. I don't know if this one changes or not. So doesn't change. So the first one, the default watch face, is the only one that change the colors when you tap on it. Okay, but if you want to download additional watch faces, we have, okay, we have it here available in your Huawei Health app. Okay, so just tap on the watch face section and of course the app will load all the available watch face for your wearable. Okay, so it is categorized here in top new, top paid, art dials, and free. Okay, so different style, different colors here, beautifully designed watch faces. Okay, we have some colorful watch faces here. Oh, I like this one, the card widget. Okay, we also have here with a lot of information in just a single watch face. We have the sleep monitoring, okay, weather, the time, the date, okay, as well as the heart rate. We also have analog watch faces here. Okay, so the price varies here. Okay, we also have this one, that's trendy, a trendy watch face. Okay, so how about here on the top, paid, let's check. Okay, we have the Tetris here, and of course the very popular astronaut LCD type watch face. I also like this one. This one is clean, very clean, beautiful. Okay, we have also art dials. Okay, for different style here, more on artistic style watch faces. Okay, here in the mine we have the installation manager, purchase history, download history. We have coupons. Okay, we have favorites here. Okay, so we have here the different watch faces available in your smartwatch or in your fitness tracker. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have at least 10 watch faces. Okay, Japanese style. But if you want to download additional watch faces for your wearable, just tap on the free. And we have several watch faces here. Remember this one? So we installed this one already. Let's add another one. So we have analog here. I want a digital watch face here with a lot of information. So let's see. Okay, this one is also good. Plate new. Okay, but I think it will be hard to tell the time here. But I'm curious if what will be the look of this one in our fitness tracker. So I'm going to install it. Okay, so let's see. Okay, while we are waiting, let's look for other watch face here. So this one, this is very artistic, the crayon. Okay, so there are a lot of options here, free, in the free section. Okay, let's check. Okay, we have the watch face here. Okay, as expected, it's somewhat hard to tell the time, but the color is very good. Okay, I like the design of this one. Okay, I like the graphics. Okay, beautiful graphics here. Okay, let me focus on graphics here. Okay, see, then let's check. Okay, this one, let's try this one. Okay, and so yellow, black, fashion and business, a band 6. Okay, let's change. Okay, let's install. Okay, it's now installing and downloading it to our wearable. So just 0.14 MB only. Okay, let's check. Okay, very fast. And as you can see here, we have successfully downloaded and installed a watch face. Okay, so very easy. So far, no issues with the installation of the watch face for your Huawei Band 7. Okay, so we have a comprehensive list of watch faces here. So go to mine to see all the downloaded watch faces. We have it here. Okay, so let's try this one. Let's go back to our favorite watch face here. So set as default. Okay, so we have it here. Okay, let me show to you. Let's focus on the watch face. Okay, so this is one of my favorite watch face in the free category. But if you want a premium, okay, other design of watch faces, especially with a lot of details and information, just a single watch face, you can get it here in the top page. Okay, for example, let me show it to you, but I'm not going to download it, just going to show you some of the designs here. Okay, so different, as you can see here, this one very refreshing, this is very refreshing. This one beautiful also with animation, as you can see here. Okay, so these are top paid, okay, watch faces. I also like this one. It looks like a phone. Okay, looks like a smartphone, as you can see here, and it has a different design or different icons here. Mobile OS. Okay, so that's it for our installation of watch face, downloading of watch face for your Huawei Band 7 wearable. Okay, or Huawei Band 7 fitness tracker. Okay, Again, if you have any questions regarding the installation of watch faces for your Huawei band, please drop a comment below. And of course, we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Goodbye.